Good afternoon, guys. My name is Alfonso with Atlantic Marine, and today I want to talk to you about this product, Fish Master. This is our team member, Frank. He also works with Atlantic Marine, and he's very knowledgeable, and he's going to explain to us more about this product.
Right? So we've become a dealer for Fish Master. They make a really cool product. They make several products. One of the things they make is this adjustable T-top right here. This adjustable T-top goes from 22 inches to 52 inches, so no matter what size center console, you can get this here. The cool thing about it is, you see the hinges right here, and we also have one up top here. This T-top folds not only here, but also at the top. So if you're coming up on a bridge, you got something low coming up, you can just flip this over, flip it one more time here, and the tallest part of your boat will end up being your windshield. They use great product. You can see this one here is powder coated white. All the hardware is stainless steel. The canvas top is Sunbrella, which, as you all know, is the best product out there for canvas tops. It comes everything you need to put it together, and it is UPSable. It comes completely dismantled. You put it together, quick steps. Comes with these quick pins here. This is an upgrade that you can get. Makes it a lot easier for you to go ahead and take it apart whenever you're out there in the water. You don't need much help. One person can do it. They go on there tight with your grip, and you can just take it off. The other cool thing is they have a lot of add-ons, like they have the rocket launchers back here. They have for the front where you can put in a spotlight, floodlights, anchor light, radar, whatever it is you need. You can clamp on all along the side if you want to put your VHF antenna, all your accessories, fold it all down and everything stays safe. For storage, it's great for all kinds of different things here. You can get this in anodized and powder coated white, like I stated before, and like I did say, it is UPSable. The other product that they make is this leaning post. All this here comes already upholstered. You can get it in different colors. The cool thing about this here is, if you notice the hinges down at the bottom, a lot of the leaning posts, everybody has problems whenever you fold it up. You walk by, you bang your shin in it. So right now, you can pass right through without a problem, and everything's good to go. No more hurting your shin, no more cutting yourself. Alfonso, I know you've done that. It's happened to all of us. The other cool thing is back here, we have the rocket launchers, so you can hold on to your rod right there, or you can actually change that out, put a grab bar. So they have a couple of different options for you there. And like I said, all this product is UPSable. We can get it right to you. You can check out the link below or go to our website, AtlanticMarineStore.com, order it up. Or if you come in for a repower, we can install it for you. And you can have some nice leaning posts and T-top brand new on your boat whenever you get that new motor for you. So like I said, this is an upgrade, but you can get these pins right here. You pull these off whenever you're in the water. You have one on each side, they come right off. Put those on the side. It's got the ones on top. Again, you want to do them real quick. They come right off. This one's already off. Thank you for that. So then you go ahead and we fold this forward. You can see here, comes right down. Alright guys, so as you can see here, this is folded over. It does have another fold here due to the fact that we use this to travel around at trade shows, show it off to everyone. We can't really fold it right now. But again, you can check out our website. We do have pictures of it. We have tips on how it works. We have it on different boats so you can see how it would look on yours. Like I said, the color on the T-top, you can get the canvas in different colors right now. They have 7 major colors with more coming in every day. If you don't see the color you need, give us a call, send us an email. We'll do everything we can to help you out, get you the right answer. And like I said, these are great. They're UPSable, and I think it's a great product for your boat. If you don't have a T-top, or if you're looking to upgrade, maybe from a Bimini top, get something a little bit more stable on there for you.
Thank you, Frank. That was very informative. So now you know, and you come to us, we can repower your boat, we can put a T-top on, plus a leaning post. Visit our website at www.AtlanticMarineStore.com. Give us a call at 305-826-2202. This week, we're giving away free towels, so subscribe, like, and comment below on our YouTube channel, and have a chance to win one of these bad boys.